my husband made a little husband flop the other day, and he said, I'll do anything to make it up to you. And I said, anything? And he's like, anything. And I said, okay. So he is now the star of my next video, which is a clean with me. Everything's a mess, and he is so sweet that he was willing to do this and do it on camera. So he couldn't get this spot off of the counter, and I think that he was wanting to show you guys his special trick that he has, where he puts a cloth in the microwave and gets it really hot and then just sits it on the spot where the gunk or whatever won't come up. I think he learned this when he was working in restaurants, and he just thinks he's really clever. I think it's cute and funny. think he did a pretty good job. I'm pretty impressed. I actually didn't know he could clean this good. So maybe that's the trick, people. Just put them on camera, and then all of a sudden, it's like they have new skills and talents. If you guys haven't already, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment below what you guys thought. I think this is fun and funny. Not only did he clean, but he also made us dinner, and that was awesome too. So I'll see you guys in my next video, and I hope that you are having a great day.